Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Supercars of London. It is a beautiful day. I don't know why I'm always in a BMW driving down to Barkaways, but today is a very important and exciting day because my Lamborghini Murcielago is going back to black. Well, this is a pretty ridiculous unit. Behind me, we have some of the most beautiful Ferraris and other manufacturers in existence. Spencer, welcome to the channel. Spencer, you've been off camera for the last couple of episodes.
Absolutely, yep.
But I'm down at Barkaways again because this is your speciality. We're in Unit 3.
Yep.
We walk past the workshop, or walk through the workshop, walk past the body shop where my Lamborghini Murcielago is.
right.
Still haven't seen it. And could you explain a little bit about this unit and what you do at Barkaways? Because I do believe we're going to have quite a lot of fun today and jump in one of these cars.
Absolutely. So this is our Unit 3. We've had this for about 3 years.
Okay.
Essentially, it was quite a large unit and we separated down the middle. And the whole idea of the unit, you've got an area where we can finish restoration work. So if we look around here, we've got a number of cars that are either going through the restoration process or quite close to finished. Got some really rare things in the corner here. This exceptional 206 Dino, super rare car.
I love that colour.
This car was found in Venice in pieces. If we just quickly walk over, original colour, so it's called
Stunning.
an Oro Charo. It's taken around about 3 years. The whole front end of the car had to be rebuilt. Something that's quite interesting, and I won't spend too long on this car because I can go on a bit. The windscreen.
Okay.
The windscreen, we had to make a wooden buck. We then had to make an aluminium buck and then work with Pilkington to make one single screen because you can't find one anywhere in the world. There isn't one panel on this car, on a 206 Dino, which will actually fit on a 246.
Really?
Yeah, but I digress.
Okay.
You came over to see the unit and now we're getting into this. This is some of our stock.
Yeah.
These are some of our cars that we currently have available here at Barkaways. Interesting thing about the cars, 99.9% of the time, these cars are customer cars.
Okay.
So we know the owner.
Yeah.
Secondly, they're cars that we look after. We service the cars. In some cases, we've even sourced the cars. And then when we come to sell the cars, we then go through a full and thorough inspection process,
Yeah.
which takes up to 3 hours. So
Wow.
we're talking about a 2-hour ramp inspection and also a road test. And sometimes our owners sort of say, well, why do you need to do that? You service the cars.
Yeah.
Yeah, but now we're selling them.
Yeah.
We're standing by them.
Yeah.
So this is, if you like, a sample of our stock.
Yeah.
But I did
Very
just
cool.
mention the fact that we've got cars off market.
Yeah.
Now, the way that works is that sometimes a client will say to us, I'm looking to buy a particular thing, I want you to find it quietly.
Yeah.
Or, I don't want to market my car, can we put it into storage, and if anyone's interested, they can come in and talk to us. So, for example, the BB I've just shown you, the 512 BB,
Yeah.
the carb car, that's currently off market. You can buy the car.
Some of these cars that are here that are for sale, I've seen some cars on the website that aren't here. So definitely go on to barkaways.com and you'll get lost in the sales. And I guarantee that, Sam, if you're watching this video, you will find another Ferrari that you will want to buy. Go and head over to the Barkaways website. It is super impressive, this unit. I think this is like one of the coolest places here. You've obviously got the workshop, the body shop, and this stuff as well.
Okay, so I'm going to...
This is the moment.
Absolutely.
door.
That is your door. I'm going to hand you over to Graham and the chaps.
Oh, cool.
How's it going?
Yeah, good. You ready for this?
You've got a Golf here?
Yeah.
Working on a Golf?
Yep. Yeah, we're not just all Ferraris and Lambos. Anything a little bit special, anything needs doing, we're more than capable of doing. So yeah, this one's a little repaired to the bumper and quarter panel. So
Nice. All right.
straightforward run.
Onwards to here, Spencer. See you in a bit.
Catch you later. Thank you.
Right, we've got something to show you. There she is, all ready to go.
Oh,
I think first of all, there's Chris.
look at Chris. How's it going? You good?
Good, mate, yeah.
What's going on in there?
Your paint.
My paint.
Well, your paint's actually already in the gun, in
okay.
here. So, yeah, I've already got it in the gun.
Look at this.
So, a little bit different from last time.
It smells nice in here.
We've got some paint and gum.
Oh my god. This is a proper job.
Yeah.
I tell you what, I feel like I'm looking at a car that's on halfway through the production line. Like, this is how you sometimes see them. Like those photos of the shell of the car before like the engine gets mated with the chassis or whatnot. But
it's about as close as we're going to get to that without taking the whole lot off.
Oh, this is seriously cool. So what has actually happened since I saw it last?
It's been spray filled, whole thing, then blocked down. Then, well, Graham's added all the lines to make them a lot sharper and better than they were.
Yeah.
Then it's been high build primed in the dark grey.
Yeah.
And then blocked again to make it even better still. Then refined even further. So yeah, it's a paintable.
So it's had a hell of a lot of work done to it. And now we're at the stage where it's actually going to be painted black.
Yeah.
Apart from, like I say, taking everything out and doing all the chassis, this is about as far as you can go.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's all been back to bare carbon, back to bare metal.
Epic.
All done.
Look at these lines, like down there. I don't know whether the camera's going to be able to pick that up, but it is super sharp.
Yeah, I mean that's why we give it a spray filler, the polyester spray filler. I mean most cars don't have that. They're like I say, you'll get primer and paint. Obviously, it just enables us to sharpen everything up, give it that. It wants to look like it's been done.
Yeah.
You know, that's the whole idea of it, is to make it just that 25% better than it ever would have been. So that enables us to do that. So yeah.
Well, I'm excited. So I'm going to get suited up, and then let's get cracking.
This is the craziest, coolest thing ever. I have never seen this process. Oh, it's so cool. I'm down all the time. You wait, but still, it's trouble by trouble.
Here we go. Check this out. Do I need to put this back on?
I would if you want to live. I mean, it's up to you.
Alrighty then.
Right, late at the sea. Nothing makes sense. Know what you mean.
Look at this. First layer of lacquer is on. The second two layers are going to be heavier and heavier, Chris said, and that is also that they can polish it back and make sure that the car is as perfect as possible. But this is the first glimpse that we have as to what my car is going to look like once it goes back to its original factory setting. Look at it. With the lacquer on, it has become alive. It has become an actual paint job. And this is just the first coating before everything gets polished. Now, polishing is actually a massive part of the paint process. Paint just doesn't turn up looking sparkling and beautiful. The guys here work tirelessly to make sure that the polishing is on point and absolutely perfect. So whilst I'm documenting the paint process, these guys are going to be working bang on schedule to make sure that the polishing is done so that the paint pops and everything looks like glass. But I have to say, as an experience of being in the paint booth and watching this happen, yes, I watched my Audi R8 back in the day get a liquid wrap, but nothing is quite like this as actual paint gets landed and painted on my Lamborghini. And I have to say, now that the lacquer is on, this is looking absolutely unreal. This is the best decision I've ever made And I'm going to actually end the video here in the paint booth at Barkaways. Hopefully you have enjoyed this amazing insight into the company, into the sales department, and head over to their website, browse the website, because they do so much here: servicing, painting, bodywork, restoration, sales, everything is done under one roof and on one site. It is an amazing place and I love coming here. And there we go, Chris is in the background getting ready for lacquer 2 in a few minutes time, and then there we go, polishing can commence and it goes back up to SB Race Engineering. So the paint project is massively in full swing. I'll see you soon, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and go into the link in the description to check out the Barkaways website, go onto their YouTube channel, check out some of their previous projects, and I'll see you soon. Take care, goodbye.